We're here on breaking news, breaking news. We have just figured out that Johnny Test has a new sister that came out of nowhere. He had this sister a long time ago from Total Drama Island. Has she returned? Well, let's figure out. Frank, report with the news. Well, here is the situation. She's been in Total Drama Island so long, he couldn't even remember her. Why would that happen? It's his sister. Yeah, Frank, so what is the situation here? If you want to tune in, go to www.facebook.com and our website, not our website, it's Drinks Club. I know, that's really weird, so just tune in.